Hi, Emma. Do you like going to restaurants often?
Hello, James. Sometimes, but not too often. What about you?
I enjoy eating out, but I don't go too frequently. It can get expensive. Do you think you have enough money to eat out whenever you want?
Not really. I usually save eating out for special occasions. Do you think expensive restaurants always have good food?
Not always. I've been to some fancy places where the food wasn't that great. Sometimes small, family-owned restaurants have the best meals.
I agree. The price doesn't always mean better quality. Have you ever gone to a restaurant alone, or do you prefer going with someone?
I've gone alone a few times, but I prefer eating with friends or family. It's more fun. What about you?
Same here. I feel a bit awkward eating alone in a restaurant. Have you ever gone on a date at a restaurant?
Yes, I have. Restaurants are pretty common for dates. What do you usually order when you go to a restaurant?
I usually get pasta or a good salad. And you?
I love ordering a good steak or a burger, depending on my mood. Do you like Chinese food?
I love Chinese food. The fried rice and dumplings are my favorite. What about you?
Me too, but I don't think I'd want to eat Chinese food every day. Would you?
No way. I'd get bored of it quickly. I like variety. Do you prefer eating at home or eating out?
I prefer eating at home most of the time. It feels cozier. What about you?
Same here. I enjoy home-cooked meals. Which do you think is healthier? Home-cooked food or restaurant food?
Definitely home-cooked food. You can control what goes into your meals. What do you think?
I agree. Restaurant food can have a lot of oil and salt, but sometimes I do crave junk food. Do you like junk food?
I do, but I try not to eat it too often. If I have the choice, I prefer going to a good restaurant over fast food. What about you?
Me too. I like a good burger and fries occasionally, but I'd rather eat at a nice restaurant.
It's all about balance, right? Sometimes it's nice to treat yourself.
Exactly. Well, next time you go to a restaurant, let me know. Maybe we can grab dinner together.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's plan it soon.
Definitely. See you later, James.
See you, Emma.